You see him, Sydney?
Yeah.
Is that a big buck?
Mm-hmm.
That's a big buck, isn't it? Oh, there's another deer back there too. Holy cow, 2 big bucks. Wow. You see both of them?
Mm-hmm.
They're going for the salt. Yeah, I heard that. That guy's not too... I aren't too sure about this. Yeah, he doesn't want to share.
My bowl!
Your bow? What bow?
My pool ready.
Oh, your pool.
My pool ready.
Maybe the bucks are going to come up and swim in your pool.
Okay.
Nope, there went one, and there goes the other one. All gone.